Here's a $20 pile of tools that I picked up this week. Sit down here, let's show you what I picked up. Got a little faucet wrench here, all-purpose, made in USA, patent pending. Little spanner here, neat spring-loaded, adjustable. It was a Billings and Spencer. Set of lasting pliers. Don't think these are marked at all. Some slip joint pliers. Wild. Bahco 8-inch, made in Sweden. Pretty excited about that one. Got a Diamond Tool and Horseshoe Company 15-inch monkey wrench, and another Diamond Tool and Horseshoe. A neat little Stanley number 171, I believe. 8 ounce. 171. Stanley plumb bob. Got an interesting hammer. Picked up BMC pliers. Got to work on these, they're pretty dirty. Oops. Got two of these little Stanley Yankee ratcheting screwdrivers. And I'm a sucker. I pick up all these wood-handled screwdrivers I find. None of these are perfect handle. See, that one, if you can see, that one says Germany. Got this one. There's this one. I think this one is the one that was stamped China. I really enjoy these wood handle screwdrivers. I'll pick them up. That one has the 6 on it. It's like somebody did a repair and put a nut on it, but let's see if that's an always fun sign to see. Then I got this bearing scraper. Put that with the rest of them. This is for getting flat belts spliced. So we got one that fits in the vise. Then we got the benchtop model, and it needs some work. It's pretty rusty, but I was excited to get 2 lacers. I'll take you outside, show you what else I got. This was a $20 find on local classifieds. Came out of a historic district here in Ogden. It's Fitzgibbons Boiler Company, New York. Kind of neat. You see all that? Don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but it's all locked up. It'll be a nice door for something. Now, take you out, show you one more thing.